One of the biggest issues I had when I first started out wholesaling real estate was I didn't know how to calculate repair costs. I've mentioned before, I didn't even know what a bad roof looked like, what a bad subfloor looked like. I didn't know. So I took a couple classes, a couple real estate courses on how to calculate repair costs, but still, even after those courses, I really didn't have a good idea. I use a very simple strategy when calculating repair costs, and it's all about square footage and multiplying that square footage by a dollar amount. If the property needs a lot of rehab, I'm usually going to multiply the square footage times $30 or $40 per square foot. That'll give me a good idea on how much money is going to have to go into this property to get it to that max level, that HGTV status where it sells for the most money it possibly can on the market. Don't overcomplicate it. It's very simple. And if you want to learn more on how I do this and how I do it all the time, every day, day in, day out, reach out to me, send me a message, leave a comment, click the link below, whatever you got to do. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks, guys.